Welcome to Test Your Learning 1. So in this exercise, what we want to do is to write a function that accepts a list and your function returns the largest item in that list. However, there's a twist to this. You are not allowed to use the built-in max function. Okay, so there's a built-in function called max that if you provide it with a list, it returns the largest item in that list. Okay, and likewise there's a min that does the same. But I want us to implement this by ourselves. Okay, so we want our function to be named biggest in list. Alright, so if we give it 1, 2, 3, it should return 3. And if we give it -1, -2, and -3, it should return -1 because -1 is the closest to 0. Okay, hence the largest. Okay, so what must we do? Well, whenever we have problems like these where we need to iterate over a list and compare, we always set one of the items to be the largest, and typically we make the first item, right, at index 0 to be the largest item we have seen so far. And then in the second step, we simply iterate over the list, comparing the items from the list with that original first value. If the item is larger, well, then we replace the current largest item, and then we continue until we exhaust the list. And of course, once we have finished exhausting the list, then we return the result. I have some test code here where once your function is complete, you can test to see the results. Okay, so in the next video, we will look at the solution to this problem. I'll see you then.